June 18 is going to be a big day for the market, and the Federal Open Market Committee, they will make their decisions about U.S. interest rates that impact the U.S. dollar and influence investors' behavior, you see. So if you want to catch up with trade, you must be able to follow up with this. And you see, there's a big expectation for the market. They want the Federal Reserve to cut the interest rate. Yeah, you know, and the Federal Reserve is saying that they are trying to reduce inflation in the U.S. And now the chairperson, which is Jeremy Powell, he said he's trying to look at the inflation, to control the inflation
in the economy.
Yeah, in the economy. So right now, the market is looking at this and expecting for the Federal Reserve to cut this interest rate with, you know, like a 25 basis point again. But we don't know. They have to make decisions. So if he keeps the interest rate unchanged, there's going to be impact. Yeah. And see, if he cuts the interest rate, there's going to be impact. Yes.
Either ways.
Either ways. So it's going to be big. It's going to be huge. So next week meeting, we bring critical, you know, clarity to monetary policies and the direction in the near term and to mid term. You see, so we have to be aware. You say, with the Federal Fed chair cut this. Absolutely. Are they going to maintain the previous interest rate, or are they going to cut the interest rate? So these are the things that will affect the markets, and also the Trump tariff is also affecting the markets. So next week is going to be big. It's going to be huge. So every trader must be aware.
Awareness is a deal breaker for traders out there, because if you don't know what's going on in the economy, you don't know what's going on in the market, you have big risk of losing your money. So just stay tuned. We give you the latest gist and the latest updates, and don't forget, June 18 is a very big day, which is going to make a very big impact out there for we traders. So stay tuned to our channels. All of us here, we're going to give you the updates wherever you're watching from. Guys, thank you for watching this. Thank you for subscribing. Leave a comment. Don't forget to drop a like on this. Okay, guys,
we are going to continue to give you updates, to update you about the market, and also to give you fundamental analysis and also technical analysis. Go and follow us so that you can get information and also get signals from us. OJFS Crypto.
It's just like this. We make it to be a little bit simple for you to understand, to know that you don't need to go through many stresses again, or those things that you don't understand. We are bringing them to you very plain and clear. So follow us and you get more from this.
Holywheel FX, and just as my colleagues here have said, we are here to give you details of what's going on in the market, so you don't be scared, so you know what's going on in the market. If you keep watching our videos, you see it's a very interactive and interesting conversation we're having here. We also like to know your opinion. What do you think about this? What do you think the market is about to do? What is the trend going on in the market right now? That is what we are going to give to you guys. So stay tuned up. This is Holywheel FX on all platforms. Can't wait to hear from you.
In what way do you think it will benefit the investors in the long run?
Yeah, you know, if investors can go into the market and find the trade in the better position, if you rush into the market right now without knowing what the outcome might be in the nearest future, you are at risk of losing your capital and losing your money, you know. So now that they are watching things to see what the future outcome may be, so it's best for them now. I think it's high potential for them.
Yeah, the market is still always right. The market is always there, and it's like what you said, they are watching.
Yes.
Yeah, it's very good for you know, for investors to be watching, and you see that's why it's affecting the whole market. So if you say what they will benefit, they want to benefit peace. They want to benefit sustainability. You see, like you have said, stable. It has to be stable. They have to be a situation whereby the investors will be rest assured that there is peace.
That their money is safe and they are not in rush and trading. So guys, you guys should stay tuned, and you know, you have to watch, you have to follow these investors. You have to think like an investor. You don't have to rush into the market. You have to read the news and know the latest updates on news, what's going on, you know.
That's smart money.
That's why we're taking this analysis, doing our fundamentals, so that everybody will know what to do.
Very good.
You're welcome to join us on this, and just keep on following us.
See you guys on the next one.